Hi, in this video I want to talk about how we can give a div a circular appearance. So really quickly, we've got a div, class name is circular, so we'll be selecting it based off of this. And we'll say, really quickly, we want to give it a height and a width, so we can just look at it. Height, 100 pixels, width, 100 pixels, and we'll give it a background color. Let's say olive. So if we want to make this look circular, we're going to be using the border radius property. Border radius. And we'll give it a border radius that's half of its height, 50 pixels. There we go. We have a circular div right here. If we put some text in here, my text, you can see. There we go. It starts up here at the top left corner, and that's because if it were to start after the border here, first of all, you would be right in the center. That doesn't make very much sense. But this is where it would start if the div were just a regular div, start in top left corner. And so if we wanted it to be fully contained in here, we could say padding 5 pixels, for example, or let's actually do 20 pixels. And notice here that the padding actually adds a little bit of height and width to the element. So if we want it to remain circular and we put padding in here, then what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to compensate for that in some way. So just be aware that padding will sort of change that sort of stuff.